Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys our auto screen setting in our Tecno mobile. So guys you have got the same setting guys auto screen and guys you want to solve this problem. So friends how can you solve guys in this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to solve guys your auto screen problem. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and so you can see this type of setting guys. So you will have to come in guys your display and brightness setting, tap here and guys scroll it. As you can see guys your auto rotate screen, so as you can see right side this icon is blue and so guys you will have to tap here, then guys this icon will like white. So guys your screen problem will solve. And guys you can see guys if you use any app and guys you want to rotate guys, it will not rotate friends. So like that guys you can solve guys your auto screen problem in your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Before going guys, please go and like the video.